What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I'm showing you guys how to do some box braids. It's pretty straightforward and simple. If you know how to braid, you should be able to get it, and practice makes perfect. I didn't even do so good on myself, especially not the back. Now that was an issue, but I got through it and I ended up really loving the style in the end. So I'm just adding a little twist on these braids by adding some crochet hair and having it stick out of some of the braids just to give it an effortless look. I really like that look, and it's kind of similar to the bigger box braids that I did a year ago or 2 years ago now. So yeah.
You always in every video, every time I do my hair.
No, cause for real, she really do be in every video.
Yeah. You gotta get on that side. You trifling. Ouch. We on top. Oh, I'm close.
So I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream. And this cream feels so good. It's delicious. Like, it smells great. I didn't eat it. I'm just playing. But it really moisturizes my hair. And this is going to help by retaining moisture throughout this protective style. So then I'm going to go in with oil and seal that moisture in. As y'all could see, I was happy about my length. It's been about 5 years since I had did my big chop, and it's finally paying off. So I'm really grateful, and I'm like really happy that I took this route to be on a natural hair journey. The key to doing box braids is to make sure you have tangled hair. And more importantly, you really need to be smoothing those roots with whatever you're comfortable with, whether it's your fingers or a baby hair brush or a small bristle brush. I use my baby hair brush. And then you can also use a rat tail comb. I use that to detangle my hair. But another important factor is to make sure you have a nice grip when adding the braiding hair. And another method I like to use for myself and my girls with thicker hair is to use rubber bands to make sure that the base is very flat and you get the achieved look for a nice box braid. So on the top 3 rows of my hair, I ended up using the 24-hour edge tamer mixed with the Eco Styling Gel, the clear one, and it worked really good for my hair, so I was really proud. And I just used that purple baby hair brush that you see me using now and combed it in and brushed it in, so you can look at how I did that. So there was really no specific way to add in the crochet curls to the braids. I just took them out of the braids wherever I wanted them to hang. So if I wanted them to hang higher, you see the one that's kind of on my green clip. And if I want to hang lower, I just probably stuck it in my mouth real quick so I didn't, get involved with the braid. But that was pretty much it, and I didn't add it to many braids just because this hair in particular got really tangled, so it was super annoying. But the style still came out cute, and I hold that up, like the curls, together with mousse using the Lotta Body or Cream of Nature mousse. I kid you not, this took so long just because I was taking my time. I was at home. I've done my braids in like 5 hours before, but apparently not today. I think this took like 6 hours or seven. I don't know. But there you go. That is my tutorial, and yes, I did dip the ends. You could put your crochet hair in the water. It doesn't matter. Nothing's gonna happen to it. But yeah, I just did my edges and